Up for bid April 27th through May 11th on BigIron Realty's Unreserved online land auction are 75.46 acres of terraced grassland in Union County, South Dakota. This farm has terraced rolling hills and a large stock dam filled with runoff water supplied by the hills on the property and adjoining properties. The property is fenced and has underground power located at the south end of the property. For more information, contact the listing agent, Mike Fouillon, at 605-777-9470. To view a sale bill, register and bid, visit BigIronRealty.com.